Good morning, Captain Harris.
Good morning, Anna. How are the guests doing today?
They seem happy. Many of them are on the upper deck taking photos of the coastline.
Excellent. And how about the dining area? Did everyone get breakfast on time?
Yes, sir. Breakfast started at 7:30 a.m. Most of the passengers chose the seafood omelet and fruit salad. We also served coffee and tea.
Any complaints so far?
No complaints, only compliments. One of the guests said the coffee was surprisingly good for a small ship.
Ha ha ha. I'll take that as a win. What about dietary requests? We have a few vegan passengers today, don't we?
Correct, sir. 3 of them. The kitchen prepared a plant-based meal, roasted vegetables with quinoa. They thanked us for the accommodation.
Good. We want to make sure everyone feels taken care of. What's next on the schedule?
At noon, we serve lunch on the main deck. If the weather stays calm, we will also open the outdoor grill.
Passengers, love the grill. Make sure we have enough shrimp and fish ready.
Already done, sir. The chef ordered extra shrimp this morning.
How's lunch service coming along?
Very smooth. Most of the guests chose grilled shrimp with rice. A few asked for extra sauce.
Did anyone ask about allergies?
Yes, one passenger asked if we cooked with peanuts. I informed them that the kitchen avoids peanuts on this voyage. They seemed relieved.
Good. Safety first, especially when it comes to food.